Hi everyone, welcome to Debanks as a fashion. I hope you are all doing fine. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut a 360-degree peplum. It is a full circle, a 360-degree peplum. So what are the measurements we'll be using? The waist of my client, the length of the peplum. I think that is all we need. So the waist of my client is 26 and the length of the peplum I'm making is 9. So to calculate the radius of this peplum we want to cut, the formula we'll be using is the waist plus seam allowance divided by 6.28. Let me come again. Waist plus seam allowance divided by 6.28. There are other ways we can cut this without calculating our radius, but trust me, it will waste our fabric. That's why it is important to calculate your radius and to calculate the length of fabric you want to use. So the waist of my client is 26. I'm using seam allowance of 4 inches because the seam allowance will also be serving as the zipper allowance. So 26 plus 4 will give us 30. 30 divided by 6.28 will give us 4.777 something. I'll just use 4.75. So to calculate the amount of fabric we need, the amount of fabric will be that 4.75, which is our radius, plus the length of the peplum we want to make. So 4.75 plus the length of my peplum is 9 inches. Then I'm adding 1 inch seam allowance to turn the lining. So the length of my peplum now is 10 after adding the allowance. So 10 plus 4.75 will give us 14.75, but I'm rounding it up to 15. So we want to make a full circle. We fold our fabric into 4. I've cut my fabric already, so I'm folding it into 4. The implication of the 15 is that after folding this fabric into 4, we must have 15. I've folded it into 4 now, so I'm having 15 here and I'm also having 15 here. So what you have must be 15. This is 15 and a half. This we do. So I'm having 15 here and 15 here. So let's cut. So you will take your radius here, not here, from the folded edge. So remember the radius we calculated is 4.75. So is that 4.75? You will take it round. Take your 4.75 round. Can you see it? I hope you can see what I'm doing. So then from there we take our peplum length with the seam allowance. So I have 10. We take it like this. 10 and 10. So this is it. Then let's cut it out. If you cut it correctly, you will have a circle. Can you see? This is a circle, and you see we have a circle now. So we just cut a place that will serve as our zipper allowance. So I'm cutting this place open to serve as my zipper allowance. If you want to make a circle skirt from a stretchy fabric that you won't need that there won't be need for opening it, or you want to make a peplum that you are not adding zipper, there is no need for you to open it. So this is what we have. Our 360-degree peplum is cut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel. I'm also using this medium to thank my subscribers. Thank you, I'm grateful. We can do more, don't just watch, please subscribe. Bye.